63%.
We had this RC Cola. Ayun po yung pinakaunang nag-resonate po globally po when we did the RC Cola project po. Yung biglang tinanggal niya po yung ulo, then yun po, nag-release RC Cola.
Okay, for those of you who have not seen it, go to YouTube.
Yeah.
Okay, RC Cola ad. I mean, it is incredibly unique and out of this world. Hindi mo maiisip na ganon.
And nag-resonate po siya. Even Ellen DeGeneres, the Ellen Show po,
Yes.
it was featured po. The publicity, sobrang pang nag-resonate. Yun po yung mga, during that time po, tuwan-tuwa po yung mga publication outside Philippines po.
Yes.
At
And
that time, aside from sales, 63% increase po eh.
63%.
Yeah,
Can you
opo.
believe that?
Then, nagsasold out po.
The demand was so great.
Pero advertising really works po. Ang pinaka-proud po kami is the EFFIS, the Effectiveness Awards. Dapat natulungan yung business.
The brand recognition.
Yes, di ba? Aside
Sales
from
increased.
You have to watch it po para without
Oo, magaling, ang galing-galing. Hindi mo maisip yun, nagagawin nila.
And sobrang proud kami nun kasi every Christmas season po, nag-viral po siya sa iba't ibang bansa na tinatag kami and effective po talaga siya.